Alam nyo, believe talaga ako kay Auntie Claire. Napaka-demanding ng trabaho niya. Biruin nyo, trabaho niya is to lie to millions of people. Only Auntie Claire can do the things that she does. Her job is very demanding. And napakagulo ng ano niya, ng timeline niya. Sabi niya, March 8, CFL nasa ano pa daw, Los Angeles. Alam naman nating lahat, may coroner's report na and everything, may police report na namatay si Paulo Tatoco March 8. Sunday yan dyan sa Pilipinas. So, ano na naman to? Ginugulo mo na naman sarili mong timeline. Grabe, ang dami nyong sinasabi. Ang dami nyong mga excuse. Isa lang naman gusto naming mga taong bayan. We want to know if the President and the First Lady are sane enough to run a country. Well, not really the First Lady, just the President. We want to know if the President is sane enough to run the country. We want him to undergo hair follicle test, and that's really simple request. This will clear everything up. Ang dami niyong sinasabi, mga putang ina nyo. Mga sinungaling kayong hayop kayo.